Less than 15 minutes to the 401, a 5-minute drive to the University of Guelph, and all of the amenities of Gordon Street right outside your doorstep. The Grandview on Gordon is a building that has been a hidden gem in South Guelph. It's Jay from Trillium West. Let's check out this listing. Unit 202 is a bright corner unit with a beautiful open concept. It has 3 large bedrooms, 2 full baths, including an ensuite, and is a layout that is very hard to come by in the city. Now, my favorite part about this unit has got to be 2 separate sliding doors that bring you out to your double-wide west-facing balcony, perfect to watch those gorgeous Guelph sunsets. This is Jay from Trillium West. If you want to get through Unit 202 at 1440 Gordon, give me a call.